Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can enable night light settings in Windows 10. It's really useful when you're working in the night, so it's more safer. So what you want to do is just go to search and write display, and you're going to be here in display settings, and then you're going to see this color night light settings. And what I recommend is, I think you can see it actually, but go like to 65 and then just like turn off now. And like I recommend scheduling the night light. So turn on, I will go with on like 6:30 and turn off at 8, right? So right now, until sunset, it's going to be off. Then at 6:30 p.m. it's going to be again on, and this is how you do it. So thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye.